Okay, welcome everyone. Another day of building here. We're going to actually start off using the gauge that we built last time to mount our, I guess, equivalent to a rear end on the drive, the axle here, I guess. So that goes in there. Put our on. Yeah, those, and there is the chunkier side goes up. Let's make it, see where that's thicker on the top there. That side, that's the side that goes up. Get started. Actually, it says to use this thing. Probably get a better distribution of force that way. It goes, you see, it just goes down to the teeth there, and then set that aside, and we build this one. I'm just going to put this. Hope it works. And down, yeah, it appears to be down all the way on both sides. And likewise, okay. And that doesn't go, so that gives us another. That's where this one. Push it down to that. And that tells you how deep to put the yellow piece. And I can just sort of, I'll leave it on this one. Well, we may actually be using it on the next step, let me see. Yep, we do use it on the next step. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm going to take my usual break, gather up my pieces, and we'll continue in a second. Alright. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do some gearbox assembly, it looks like. So I'm going to start off. Make sure they're facing the right way. Yep. This goes here and here. Got this. Then we have access to the slot. Big one back here. Maybe. Well, left a little bit behind there, didn't mean to. I hope it matters now that I went to the trouble of messing it up. Okay. It does not. So I'm going to sort of conceal my goof. And over here we put in it the gearbox in with the spacer. Oh, actually I probably have to do that first. Okay, yeah, it'll flex enough to get in there. Then we're doing with the smaller end first. Those probably, yeah, they tie together. Kind of, the gear ratios are so, gear teeth are so fine there, it probably won't show as. Let's see if we can get a little closer and not get washed out on the light. Yeah, so they're working together in concert. Now we put this one on. Just trying to get that one on first. This one into its slot. And mesh them all together. Everything's nice and snug, and of course you came out, but that's okay. Slide back in. Yeah. Maybe that'll show a little better now. Yeah. Let me. Focus, focus. There you go. Nicely. That's how they're gonna work together. And we. Okay, got 7. On the right way. No. No? Okay. Yeah, it was the right way. 7. The teeth out, go underneath here. Wedge you in. Don't pull everything else apart while you do it. Okay, and then the 8 present both of those. Now things are getting dicey. Okay. Little luck, little patience. That's probably more luck than patience, to be honest. I'm still. There we go. Okay. You back into your little slot there. Surprised we haven't put one of those little yellow spacers on the other end, but 2. Oh, now we get to mount this. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, now look at those. First thing we get. So I am surprised there's nothing locking this in position, but where this goes. Oh well, I can adjust it from the outside, I guess. That goes on there. Supposed to. Yep. Position. Okay, do it like this. Let gravity hold it down while it ties everything together, maybe. Alright, so it's all locked in place now. Okay, that's why they didn't ever bother. Got a good, and there is clearance between that this drive shaft and the gear there, so that's good. Okay, it does still. I can force it to spin, but I don't really want it to do that too much. Yeah, they're all working in concert. Then we put our, I guess, rear end cover on. Let's see that. Yeah, that's symmetrical. Let's get on one side. All right. And that takes us through the end of step 3. Now we've got a real good assembly going. I think this is, of course, supposed to be out the back. I assume, yeah, it's the back. All right, so let's set this aside and see what I'm about to do. All right, gonna gather up my pieces for the next step. Be right back. Alright, here we go. I was looking at it, I thought I was going to be able to just do one side and buzz through at high speed on the other side, but there's just enough difference where I'm not going to be able to do that. But anyway, so we get to watch the whole thing in real time. So go D8, then this one, that, you go through this one, and D5 all through here. C4. And then we'll start on the other one. And make sure the decoration's on the facing outwards towards the yellow. Focus. Too much stuff going on there, but who's on this one? And then D6 times 4 on here. And C3 on top. And then we'll do this one on both of those. Make sure everything stays in place. And we get to thread this through on this side. It goes like so and so. Goes there and there. And this one line up with that one. And then just push them up all the way through. And that's the assembly we come up with. It's got a little rub there on the drive shaft I'm not crazy about, but I think just going to have to live with that. Alright, and I'm going to set that there so nothing falls out. And I'm going to reset for the other side. Back in a flash. Okay. Now it's sort of the same thing, just opposite side. And backwards. So we're going to take this one first. Am I doing that? Nope. Got it upside down. There it goes. That lines up better. Oh, let me get up. Notice that. It's a little flat thing we installed a minute ago. And while I'm doing that, let me check. Oh, same thing over here. Let me get clearance on that. Just enough to. Yep, and now flush in against it. Yeah, there we go. So, I say it's the same but different. C3 goes on the back. Yeah. And all the D6s. And C4. And all the D5s. I'm running away from me. And we put and it is resting firmly on the drive shafts here. I'm not pushing against wood when I'm pushing down like that. And then this D7 on the back, which should be the smaller one, but let me make sure. Yeah, smaller one on the back. And our little yellow doodads. Come back. Like these aren't moving, so you can push those in pretty solid. I'm going to try and... May have been... No, that wouldn't... That was too much. Oh. Let's see. Actually, I am going to try... See if I can get those to go back just a hair, just a... Nope. Too much friction. It might have moved a little bit, but not much. Imagine the same situation over here. Okay, that one felt like it went. Yeah, that one actually went a little bit. So let me give it one more go. A little bit better leverage. Yeah, that one. There we go. We got, like I say, I got a little bit. They're not equal, but I got some sticking out on both sides. That just makes me feel better. Okay. What am I doing? Trying to see what have I got. How much is left in step 4 before I hang it up? Still quite a bit left. 3 or 4 pictures. Alright. I'm going to cut her off there, folks. I think we're making some really good progress here. It'll be interesting to see this thing get outside and get some sunlight on it where it'll fire up. I think it's going to be okay. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.